That $11 carton of pasture-raised eggs sitting in your fridge right now, it might be the biggest lie in the grocery store. After digging through USDA records, federal investigations, and independent lab test results, we discovered that the most trusted organic and cage-free egg brands are selling you the exact same factory-farmed egg as the cheap $3 carton right below it. Today, we're ranking 10 popular egg brands from worst to best, including the famous brand hit with an FTC investigation and revealing the only two options actually worth your money. Number 10. Kroger and Kirkland Cage-Free Eggs. Kroger and Kirkland cage-free eggs occupy the trusted middle ground for budget-conscious families. Consumers pay a premium markup believing cage-free guarantees humane treatment. However, federal standards only dictate the removal of physical wire cages. Tens of thousands of hens remain crowded inside massive, windowless industrial warehouses with zero access to natural sunlight or outdoor pastures. Each bird receives roughly the floor space of a single sheet of printer paper. While Costco built massive brand equity through high-quality olive oil and electronics, that reputation was simply transferred to their egg operations without earning it. Consumers pay extra for a comforting label, but the industrial confinement model remains entirely unchanged behind closed doors. Number 9. Christopher Eggs Vegetarian Fed. Christopher Eggs markets its Vegetarian Fed label as a premium health upgrade for conscious consumers. The packaging promises clean, plant-based feed with zero animal byproducts. However, chickens are natural omnivores, biologically designed to forage for insects, grubs, and worms. Stripping natural animal protein from a hen's diet actually degrades the final egg's nutritional profile, lowering essential omega-3s and B12s. Cracking a Christopher egg reveals a pale, watery yellow yolk, the direct visual result of an artificial grain-only diet. A deep amber yolk requires real outdoor foraging. Christopher Eggs uses clever plant-based marketing to sell a nutritionally inferior egg as a health breakthrough. Number 8. Walmart Great Value. Walmart's Great Value eggs skip fancy farm illustrations and pastoral claims, offering the absolute lowest price on the shelf. To achieve this bottom dollar cost, Walmart sources from massive industrial facilities operating at the bare legal minimum. Hens are confined to battery cages, offering just 67 square inches of space per bird, less than a standard piece of paper for their entire lives. While budget-strapped families buy these out of financial necessity, the lack of marketing claims on the carton isn't modesty, it's strategy. Walmart leaves the box plain because revealing the industrial reality behind its supply chain would drive shoppers away. You get exactly what you pay for, maximum industrial scale at the absolute lowest cost. Number 7. Happy Egg Co. Happy Egg Co. features bright yellow packaging adorned with cheerful cartoon hens to build immediate trust with parents. However, federal free-range guidelines only mandate 2 square feet of outdoor access per bird. Crucially, that outdoor space simply needs to exist somewhere on the premises, typically a single small exit door in an industrial warehouse holding tens of thousands of birds. Most hens never locate the door or set foot outside. Cracking a Happy Egg Co. egg reveals a pale yellow yolk, typical of confined factory environments, rather than outdoor foraging. Parents pay a steep premium for standard factory eggs disguised behind playful marketing and cheerful cartoon branding. Number 6. Nellie's Free-Range Eggs. Nellie's relies on rustic hand-drawn illustrations and a textured, recycled carton to project an authentic small farm aesthetic. The packaging proudly features a humane certification seal to reassure shoppers in the aisle. However, this specific certification operates under lenient criteria tailored to fit large-scale commercial networks. The free-range claim merely guarantees that an outdoor access point exists on the property, not that individual hens actually go outside or enjoy adequate pasture space. Stricter standards would require expensive operational changes that reduce corporate profit margins. Nellie's uses clever tactile packaging and accessible welfare seals to sell the comforting feeling of an ethical purchase while maintaining standard commercial farming practices. Number 5. Safeway and Albertsons Omega-3 Eggs. Safeway and Albertsons market their store-brand omega-3 eggs directly toward health-conscious shoppers and cardiovascular patients. The label relies on a technically true fact. Adding flaxseed to hen feed boosts plant-based ALA omega-3 levels in the egg. However, the human body converts plant-based ALA into usable DHA and EPA at a rate under 10%. A single serving of wild salmon provides far more bioavailable omega-3s than a full month of eating these specialty eggs daily. Retailers capitalize on medical advice encouraging higher omega-3 intake, using clever labeling to charge a premium for a nutrient boost that delivers virtually zero functional health benefit to your body. Number 4. Eggland's Best. Eggland's Best stamps a distinctive red shield logo directly onto every eggshell. This direct mark creates a powerful illusion of an independent, government-verified safety guarantee right in your hand. In reality, that red mark is an internal corporate logo created and managed entirely by Eggland's Best itself. While the company alters hen feed to boost specific vitamin levels, independent testing of their omega-6 to omega-3 ratios reveal minimal health advantages over standard low-cost supermarket eggs. Seniors and cardiac patients pay a high price markup for a self-issued corporate stamp that promises superior nutrition while delivering a yolk that looks and performs identically to basic conventional eggs. Number 3. Born Free and Organic Valley Eggs. Organic Valley built decades of consumer trust through its high-quality, small-scale dairy co-ops. However, that stellar reputation is used to mask an entirely different industrial egg operation. Born Free and Organic Valley eggs sit in premium natural food aisles, leading shoppers to assume the same strict co-op standards apply. In reality, these eggs rely on basic cage-free standards operating at massive commercial scale. Hundreds of thousands of hens crowd open floors inside giant warehouses with no required outdoor access or natural sunlight. The company leverages consumer loyalty earned through milk and butter to sell standard, large-scale industrial eggs under a trusted halo of local farming traditions. Number 2. Pete and Jerry's Organic Eggs. Pete and Jerry's uses idyllic farmhouse artwork and prominent USDA organic seals to target health-conscious parents and expectant mothers. However, federal organic certification only dictates feed composition, requiring grain grown without synthetic pesticides. It imposes zero mandates for outdoor pasture access, natural sunlight, or limits on indoor flock density. A hen can spend her entire life tightly confined in a massive warehouse and still produce certified organic eggs. Furthermore, Pete and Jerry's sources from a sprawling network of contracted industrial farms rather than a single-family homestead. Consumers pay a steep organic premium expecting superior animal welfare and nutritional density, but the legal seal only guarantees what the hen ate, not how she lived. Number 1. Vital Farms Pasture-Raised Eggs. Vital Farms positioned itself as the undisputed gold standard of the egg aisle, charging up to $11 a carton for pasture-raised promises. Picturesque green fields and idyllic farm claims convinced millions of shoppers they were paying for genuine animal welfare and superior nutrition. However, undercover video footage from supplier facilities exposed crowded industrial-scale housing that contradicted the brand's pastoral image. The FTC launched a formal investigation into their pasture-raised claims, while independent lab testing revealed their $11 eggs offered virtually the same nutrient profiles as basic $3 cartons. Vital Farms built the most expensive story in retail history, charging top dollar for marketing photography rather than a measurably better egg. Best option number 2. Alexander Family Farm. Alexander Family Farm sets the true standard for commercial egg production through certified regenerative organic operations in Northern California. Instead of exploiting regulatory loopholes, they rotate hens and cattle across open pastures. The chickens naturally follow the herd, foraging on insects, grubs, and fresh greenery as their biology intended. Crack an Alexander egg and you will immediately notice a deep amber-orange yolk packed with natural carotenoids and bioavailable omega-3s. Independent lab tests rank their eggs among the highest on the market for healthy omega-6 to omega-3 ratios, directly fighting inflammation. While they carry a premium price tag, every dollar supports genuine animal welfare, soil restoration, and unmatched nutritional density you can visually verify. Best option number 1. Local CSA and farmers market eggs. The most reliable egg carton on the market comes directly from local small-scale producers and community-supported agriculture networks. Unlike national factory brands, small local farms operate with complete transparency. Their hens forage freely on open outdoor pastures, yielding vibrant, deep orange yolks, naturally rich in bioavailable omega-3s and essential nutrients. When buying from a local farmer, you can directly ask about stocking density or even visit the farm yourself. By cutting out corporate middlemen, supply chain markups, and deceptive greenwashing campaigns, local CSAs deliver fresh, unadulterated, pasture-raised quality. Supporting a local farm guarantees that the promise printed on the carton matches the reality on the ground, delivering maximum nutrition and true accountability in every single dozen.